We started our digital journey parallel with our e-commerce proposition, and we wanted unique wallpaper for our e-commerce website. As a result of that, we needed shorter run lengths, so we looked to digital to create those shorter run lengths. But our e-commerce solution has expanded quite rapidly, and we needed to find a machine that would create run lengths in between the high volumes of conventional printing and the low volumes that we were experiencing on our current digital machines. So we were looking for anything up to about 500 rolls in terms of run length. So I spoke to the company, got the details of Martin Winkler at Durst, contacted him, and that's where the journey began really.
One of our main drivers in going digital is to reduce our stock holding and be more print on demand. So as we create space within this warehouse, we would hope to extend our digital offering and digital department in this area. The increased speeds, the increased meterage that the Durst gives us, along with the good quality, gives us the benefits of offering murals as well as wallpaper, and it really is the extended output that the Durst gives us, with the possibility of moving it into running 7 days a week, 365 days a year, so the potential is enormous.
Digital allows us to print a more varied range of colours and larger repeats, so it allows us to kind of experiment more with what we want to do and kind of tailor it more to each design, so it's not as constrained as like the traditional printing methods. I think with the way the market is moving, there is a more demand for higher colours and more detail within designs and things like that. It just allows for a wider range of designs for us to be able to produce them.
I think digital will eventually become the one and only solution for wallpaper. I do think at the moment there is room for both. It's really about print on demand, reducing print run lengths and giving a more bespoke offering to our customers. That is why I feel that the Durst is giving us that opportunity to pull away from the more stringent run lengths of conventional. I think if this continues at that kind of rate, the next 10 to 15 years, I can see all those gaps and differences being filled by digital, and that's certainly what we would hope to move forward into.
We've had the printer installed now for probably about 3 or 4 months, and it's an absolute game changer for us. It's really fitted that gap that we had. It's running absolutely perfectly, and this is where we see the future of printing for Graham & Brown, a definite move over to more volume digital printing, because our conventional printers consume a heck of a lot of gas, something like 24 million kilowatts of gas per year. But the Durst machine, we chose the electric oven specifically because of our sustainability, and our electric is renewable. It comes from renewable sources, so it creates a great story and further enhances our credentials when it comes to our carbon neutral stance.